Warning, Hebrews Toys Reviews is not intended for children. It is for adult collectors and people over the age of 18.
Are you troubled by strange noises in the middle of the night?
Do you experience feelings of dread in your basement or attic?
Have you or any of your family ever seen a spook, specter, or ghost?
If the answer is yes, then don't wait another minute. Pick up your phone and call the professionals.
Ghostbusters.
Hey everybody, Hebrews77 here from Hebrews Toy Reviews. And I don't usually do videos like this, but I have some amazing news that you guys might be interested in. Now, a lot of people have speculated for several weeks now that Dr. Egon Spangler may be partially in this movie, and that might still be true in spirit. However, some new news has come to light, and I would like to thank information comes to you from Powerbomb Nation. That's Powerbomb Nation. I will put his channel link in the description so you guys can go over and check him out. He has some awesome videos. I discovered him by accident, and actually this this video that he put out is amazing and has a lot of views, but he needs some subscribers. So go ahead and get over there and give him your support. Don't let this guy down. Anyway, moving on now. We talk about the international trailer, the one that started it all, that started the rumors that Egon Spangler may be in this movie. And if you haven't seen this, let's go ahead and share the screen now. Or not. Here is that part of the trailer. This is the international trailer. And here we go. There's the truck. There's a ghost in the trap. Whoa. Let's rewind that. Now, this man right here, this little blur that you see on your screen, a lot of people are speculating that that's Dr. Egon Spangler, and that this, what happens next, is how he meets his demise or whatever. And we see him again later in the trailer going up.
Honestly, I have no idea.
Hobbling up to the house as he's got the ghost trap there, you can see. So let's rewind that just a little bit. Now, no. This man right here, far off in the distance, who hobbled up to the house after the truck accident. A lot of you are speculating that it's Dr. Egon Spangler. Well, after I did some research, it turns out that Dr. Egon Spangler has a brother. And his brother is going to be in this movie. And here's how we know this. This actor by the name of Oliver Cooper, as you can see here, is playing the part of Egon's brother. Now, it doesn't say here when you go to look up his wiki, because I'm sure that they're keeping it very secretive up until the very last minute when we watch the movie. But if we go over here into the search engine and type in what part is Oliver Cooper playing and we get this Elton. He plays the part of Elton. Oliver Cooper is playing Elton in Ghostbusters Afterlife. While we don't know much about his character, there is those who believes he bears a striking resemblance to Harold Ramis, his character, Dr. Egon Spangler. And it actually says, where did I find that article at? There was something that said, let's see. And when we type in, who is Elton? Confirmed yet, Elton is Egon's brother in the movie. If this is true, then this means that this is also a giant Easter egg. And what Easter egg might you ask? You're like, there was no Elton in the original 2 Ghostbusters movies. However, it was suggested in Ghostbusters 2 that Egon did in fact have siblings. And here's what I'm talking about. And here is a throwaway line from Ghostbusters 2 that may suggest that Egon did in fact have siblings. Listen closely.
Very cheerful. My parents didn't believe in toys.
You mean you never even had a slinky?
We had part of a slinky, but I straightened it.
He says, we had part of a slinky, then I straightened it. Listen to it one more time.
You mean you never even had a slinky?
We had part of a slinky, but I straightened it.
Well, there you have it. So, is this mystery man driving the truck in the international trailer Egon or Egon's brother Elton? This is yet to be seen. I am highly anticipating this movie. I can't wait for it to come out. I know there have been early releases of it and people have already seen it and there's a big buzz about it and they've been talking about it and it's been reviewed and so forth. But I am going to wait till it comes out in theaters, and I can't wait till it comes out in theaters. And we're only a few days away till that happens. But until then, this has been Hebro77 for Hebro's Toy Review saying, no one isn't just half the battle, it's the whole damn war. I'll see you next time, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hebro77 here from Hebro's Toy Reviews, gently reminding you to please subscribe to my channel if you like what you see and want more content. And please remember to hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss anything. And until next time, remember, knowing isn't just half the battle, it's the whole damn war. I'll see you next time, everybody.